All right, so here's the fourth example. So I did the first one right now. I did the video for that. I'm gonna skip 2 and 3. I think you can handle those. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more. So again, they're in standard form. X first, Y second, so perfect. They're not trying to trick us there the way they try to do in the first foldable. This number right here next to X is A. The number next to Y, it's B. And the last number is C. So we're gonna go ahead and do the math algebra is boring to find the slope, and also the bulldogs can bark. So let's plug in our numbers. The opposite of 1 is -1 over +3. So there's your slope. Then over here it's C, -6 over 3. And that's a -2. So my inequality for that one's going to be Y. Are we going to flip the sign? Nope, because B is positive, so keep it the same. Then write your slope and your y-intercept. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and graph that first before I start with the second inequality. So go ahead and put a dot at -2. Your slope is -1 over 3, so that's going to tell you to drop 1 down, 3 to the right. There it is. The opposite of down and right can also be up and left. So there it is. This is solid line because it's got the extra line at the bottom, so connect them with the solid line. And it's the less than symbol, so go ahead and shade below. There it is. Now we do the same for the second inequality. Number next to X is always A. Number next to Y is B. And the last one is C. So I'm not gonna write the little formulas again. I'm just gonna use those, but I am gonna write M. This is my slope. Opposite of A, so opposite of a +2 is -2 over B, which is -3. Negative and negative, well, that's +2/3. So there's my slope. The bulldogs can bark. I'm gonna take my C, -3, and divide it by -3. Any number divided by itself, that's just a 1. So write your new inequality in slope-intercept. Y. Am I going to change my sign? Definitely, because Y is negative. So it's going to go to a less than. Then your 2/3 X, and then +1. So there's that inequality. So let's go ahead and graph that. Always graph your y-intercept first. So put a dot at +1. 2 and 3 are both positive numbers. So go up 2, right 3. You can also go down 2, left 3. And there's already a dot there. This is going to be connected with a dashed line. So there they are. And it's a less than, so here is below. You're going to shade below. So there it is. You can tell where the overlapping is occurring. And then you just check each point. Now, I just want to point out that this point of intersection right here will not be a solution because one of the lines is dashed. Remember, it's only a solution if both are solid. So 0, 0 is going to be the origin. It's going to be right here. That's not a solution because it only lands on the pink. 2, 5, 2 to the right, 5 up, most definitely not. It's on the white part. -3, -5, yes, that is in the orangey section. And -3, +2 is not either. So only one solution here. Okay, so use this foldable and the other foldable that has the slope intercept form ones to finish both worksheets. Both worksheets are for 8th grade.